juicing. Juicing is the process of extracting the juice from a fresh fruit or vegetable with a juicer or a blender. Benefits of adding juice to your diet: lowering the risk of disease. Juice is packed with minerals and vitamins, phytonutrients, and antioxidants, which can add a high concentration of anti-inflammatory nutrients to your body. It is easy on your gut. Juice is easy and digestible and absorbable because your gut doesn't have to do so much work to break it down without the fiber. Improve energy and hydration. Juice can be a quick source of energy because the body absorbs and can use the sugars it contains easily. Juicing cannot replace whole foods. A study shows juicing cannot replace whole fruits and vegetables in the diet because people will lose the benefits of the fiber. In addition, juice is very low in calories and will not provide adequate amount of proteins and fat in the diet if someone was consuming juice exclusively. What is the best way to use a juicer? A juicer will make life a lot easier if you are going to be using regularly. Blending is the next. If you got a high-speed blender, blending products is an option. The third one is store-bought. This will offer convenience, but the cost can add up over time. Most product juices you find on the shelves your local supermarket are often pasteurized. Juicing is good for you because all the nutrients that you can get in the same time. Imagine you say in the morning chewing celery, apple, carrot, spinach, and ginger. All the chewing is simplified because you can put in a juicer and get the job done in seconds.